Recovering deleted photos and videos on your iPhone 17 Pro is quick and easy when you know where to look. Your device automatically stores recently deleted files in a special folder for 30 days, giving you time to restore them before they're permanently removed. Here's how to recover deleted photos and videos on iPhone 17 Pro. Open the Photos app and tap Collections at the bottom. Scroll down and in the Utilities section, tap Recently Deleted. Tap View Album to open it. You'll be prompted to use Face ID or passcode. Next, tap Select at the top. Choose the photos and videos you want to recover by tapping on them one by one. When you're ready, tap More, then select Recover. Confirm by tapping Recover Items. Go back to your Photos library to check your restored photos and videos. Recovering deleted photos and videos on iPhone 17 Pro helps you restore important memories without needing any third-party tools. If this video helped you bring your photos back, please give it a like or watch another tutorial to learn more useful iPhone 17 Pro tips.